Welcome to the new vlog mga agents. Nandito tayo sa bagong mission. May mission tayo. Kung makita nyo sa title, the most aesthetic coffee shop in the Philippines or even in the world. Agents, nandito tayo sa coffee project. Sa loob tayo, medyo tahimik muna tayo magsalita kasi may nagkakape. Pero, wow! Actually, matagal na tong coffee shop. Actually, dito yan sa Star Mall, sa may EDSA, nasa loob. This is the one of the most aesthetic na coffee shop. Grabe, ang ganda. Parang nasa nature ang pagkagawa nito. So, actually, kung nakita nyo, nagbili pala ako yan yung ngayong receipt kanina. This is like worth yung dark chocolate frap nila is 215 plus their banana muffin is 165. So medyo pricey ang niya, pero yung sa bagay parang you pay for the atmosphere, yung niya, yung sa bagay yung aesthetic ng pagkaganda ng coffee shop. So kakainin ko lang to and then magbi-b-roll ako para makita niyo yung coffee shop. And hopefully mapuntahan nyo. Sobrang pang Instagrammable, pang TikTok, reels, short stories, at pang kung gusto nyo relax and have a coffee and just enjoy your day. Wow! And straw nila is like parang organic, so paper. And yung craft nila, rate natin. Sarap. Pwede mo rin compare sa Starbucks, Tim Hortons. So, the same ang mga quality. So, for the price, pretty good na siya. So, this dark chocolate frap, I would rate it out of 10 around a solid 8.5. Let's try the banana muffin. Let's try it. Hopefully hindi tayo ma-copyright, may music. Baka i-cut ko lang. Sarap. Sobrang moist, guys. Mga agent, sobrang moist. Tapos may almond pa sila. So actually, maraming food dito. May mga rice food sila. Makikita nyo pag pinirol ko. Fries, mga pastries. Ano pa? Actually, alap. Hanggang i-b-roll ko na para makita nyo. So, agents, rate ko naman dito sa banana muffin niya, 10 out of 10. 10. Wow! Ang sarap. So agents, enjoy the b-roll and I'll catch you at the end of the vlog. Let's go! Woo! Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin dito. A quick vlog sa Coffee Project Agents. Ang ganda. Lumipat pala ako dito, Agents. Ay, puno. Sa table. Actually, parang sobrang nature-inspired coffee shop. And hopefully, makapunta nyo dito yan sa Star Mall Shaw. Across actually sa EDSA to, so near in front of Shangri-La and Mega Mall. So quick vlog lang to, hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung ambience nito. Ang ganda talaga, ang Instagrammable, and of course yung ambience niya ang ganda, and the food ang ganda dito, sarap, coffee, even may mga rice bowl meals pa sila. So hopefully please do subscribe and hit that like button. Of course, comment for our next mission. Marami pa tayong mga missions, mga agents. And I'll always thank the Lord. And I'll catch you in our next mission.